Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back to another unboxing. This time we'll have a limited edition box and this is from Pink Seoul. If you watch my channel you saw probably many of those. They come a couple times a year with a limited edition box. I'm not so sure about the price of this one, but I will leave it on the screen. You always get full-size products. If you like Korean skincare, you'll love those boxes. So let's see what we have in this one. Here is the box, and here is the box inside. And for this limited edition box, let me show you. Here are the products, and first thing that I see in here, it's a face mask. Of course it cannot be a Korean box without a face mask, right? And this one is from Goodall. It's citron infused water mild sheet mask and looks like this. I don't think I saw before a mask from this brand, but anyway, it's about time. I tried some skincare products, but not the mask from them. So here is the first item. Then we have a full-size eye cream, and this one is from Farm Stay Snail Repair eye cream from brightening and anti-wrinkle. And here is the product. It's a full size, and this one comes with 1.4 ounce. Korean eye creams are coming always in huge sizes, comparing with 0.5 that is the standard size in US for eye creams. Here is this one. I got this one before because they have so much product. They are good products, but because at least for me, they have so much product and I don't like to keep them open, especially an eye cream. I prefer to use the deluxe samples. I use them for my neck, mostly for my neck. I got because I had many Korean subscription boxes, I got couple of good sizes like this, and I'm using them mostly for my neck. So here comes another one, but I'm not saying that are not great for your under eye area. So a full size item there, and we have two more products in here, still full size. We have Max Clinic, and this is Absolute Propolis cream, a rich velvety and soft moisturizer with propolis. So is this one, and let me show you. So we have 4 products in this box. I think was around 35, but I'm not so sure. And here is the jar for this one. Looks like honey, gorgeous packaging with this black and gold color. I'm surprising about the packaging. I like the packaging, and also the color of the cream looks pretty nice. This one comes with 100 milliliters and will expire in 2020. So pretty nice packaging for this one, and the formula also. I have to see this one, and actually looks exactly like honey, and the consistency, it's pretty rich and smells a little bit like honey, but blends really well. When you see this the formula of this one looks heavy, but so far blends really nice, and has that not strong, very light scent as honey. So I like the scent. It's probably you can see the shine on my hand, but so far feels pretty nice and absorbs in no time because it's already gone. I don't feel anything on my hand right now. It's not sticky at all, so seems to be a pretty nice one. anyway, a full-size cream. And I will try to find the value for this box, because in the description box they didn't say what's the value for this box. I will look online for these products and I will leave the value under the cost. So curious about this one. I like the way it feels on my hand. And the last product in here in full size, it's all-in-one mist from Hiji, 100 milliliters. Let's open this one too. So here is the size of this one. It's a mist. I wish to have some information in English. Moisturizing skin barrier for oily skin. Okay. And also use morning and evening after cleansing. Use it when your skin feels dry. And spray 20 centimeters from face. So let's see if this one has a scent. Very light. Not as fine as my favorite mist, but still pretty nice, and feels really hydrated on the skin. So I will try this one. Right now I'm all about face mist. I don't know how many I will have by the end of the year, but anyway, many. So far I like the box. Full size face mist. This cream, which looks really interesting, it's Absolute Propolis cream, an eye cream, a big size, and a face mask. So that's all for this box. Also, I forgot to ask you in my last videos, if you want me to put in all my last videos the links for those boxes, because by the time I'm showing them on my channel, they are not available for sale anymore. So if you want me to go, I forgot the lid. Anyway, if you want me to go back to the what I used to do before on my channel and put the links down below in the description box for the latest deals, at least the one I get, I will do that. Just let me know in the comments down below if that is helpful for you or not. But so far this cream looks pretty cute. So that's all for this box. So far I think it's worth it, 35. We'll see what's the value for this one. So that's kind of all for Seoul. Also they have a subscription, I think it's monthly or bi-monthly subscription box with skincare, Korean skincare products, and also they have a subscription with face masks. So something to check if you like Korean products. So that's kind of all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys very soon. You have an amazing day. Bye bye.